Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick review of the newest battle rope that I just got. Now, I had a battle rope before, however, that wasn't giving me much of a challenge anymore. This is the one I owned before. It's a 30-foot long battle rope with 1.5 inches in thickness and diameter. Okay, now the newest one I got is by this company called Perantlb, and it's 40 feet long and it's 2 inches thick in diameter. As you can see here, if we compare side to side, this one over here is 1.5 inches thickness. This one is 2 inches. So in this one, I can't really completely grip the whole handle. So it's going to give you more of a forearm and grip strength challenge, which I like. I want to be challenged when I work out. Now, the most obvious difference between the two is that this one brings a sleeve. When you compare these two, you can see the difference right there. And the bad thing about this one not having a sleeve is the fraying, of course. As you can see right there, I've used it and it starts to fray over time. Now with this one, you're going to have that added layer of protection. So this one is going to last a longer time, and you can take this one outdoors too. You can take it to the park, you can take it and work out in your driveway, and you're going to make sure that you have a battle rope that's going to last you a longer time with this extra layer of protection. Now if we compare here as far as the handles, as you can see over here, this one has a longer handle. Okay, so it's going to give you more surface area to grip. This one is a smaller handle. This one's about 6 inches, and then this one's about 8.5 inches. So this is a good option for people that have bigger hands. They have a lot more to grab, and these are both heat shrink over here on the battle rope itself. But this one definitely is more durable. It's going to last you a longer period of time, and it's going to give you more of a challenge when you work out. Another thing I liked about this battle rope is that they sell this as a kit. So you get the battle rope, a battle rope bag, an anchor kit, and also anchor straps. With this one over here, I just got the battle rope, so I have to figure out how to anchor it down myself. Here's what's inside the box. You have the bag for the battle rope here. You have the anchor kit over here. Let me put it to the side here so you can see it better. So that's what it looks like. So you can anchor this down to a wall or whatever other piece of anchor point that you may have. It has the bolts. It has 2 straps here. One strap without a carabiner, and then a strap with a carabiner. And then we have the battle rope itself with the sleeve on top, and this extra layer of rubber here which attaches to the anchor point for added protection so that the rope doesn't fray. I'm going to show you how to connect the battle rope to the anchor kit. As you know, this comes with 2 straps. One strap is by itself. The other strap has a carabiner like this. And the way you're going to connect the battle rope to this kit is very simple. You're going to thread this through the loop here. You're going to open up the carabiner, and then at the end of this strap you have a hole. You're going to put it through the hole, and then you have that first connection to the kit. Now the second strap, what you're going to do with the second strap is you're going to put it under the battle rope. Then you're going to thread it through the loop here at the end of the strap. So now you have this, okay, you have a knot, and then it has another hole here, and you're going to grab the carabiner and insert it through that hole, and then you have the battle rope connected to the anchor kit. If I yank on this, you see it's pretty sturdy, pretty solid anchor point, which is very important. And the rope also has this extra layer of protection, this rubber sleeve on top of the protection sleeve. So it's going to prevent the rope from fraying. So a very important piece of equipment right here. This extra layer of protection is going to make sure that your rope is going to last longer. And having a very sturdy anchor point, of course, is very important as well. So there you have it, guys. That's just a quick review of my newest battle rope. This one definitely gives me more of a challenge than the previous one I owned. And I definitely recommend it if you're looking to get your butt kicked and you're in the market for a battle rope. I hope you like the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me your comments and questions down below. And I'm going to leave the link to this battle rope down in the description. That link is shreddeddad.com/battle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.